Lavanya has put on me. I have given my details and she'll take the further action.
Okay, so you. Silence.
Lavanya has put on me.
సో మీరు కంప్లైంట్ చేయడానికి మెయిన్ రీజన్ ఏంటి అసలు? మెయిన్ రీజన్
Sir, I don't know. I complained because she is doing my character assassination.
Okay.
I'm nowhere related to Rajtharoon. We acted in a film together. There is no relationship. We like friends. And we work together. And she is putting all the false allegation on me, my character. Basically, she threatened my family who lives in Himachal Pradesh. They have no connection to cinema. No connection to cinema. They don't know about anything about cinema. They don't know Lavanya. I have not even seen her face.
Okay.
How she looks. मैंने उसको कभी नहीं मिला. I don't know what is her. Please block. I blocked her. From then after that.
Down, please.
Then after that, she called my dad, and she abused my dad.
Okay.
So I want to ask even everyone, from where she got my dad's number. Even Rajtharoon doesn't have my dad's number. From where? Is she taking my call list? Or is she tracking my phone? What she is doing? Tracking a phone is a crime. Taking a call list is a crime. So if she is doing that, she has to face the consequences for this. And when she abused my dad in September, I told Rajtharoon, let's not talk to each other because it's going to another level.
Why is she involved with you only?
I don't know. I'm not interested in Rajtharoon's personal life. Please keep me out of it.
మీరు ఏమని కంప్లైంట్ ఇచ్చారు మెయిన్ గా? మీ
Main complaint of my character assassination. She put complaint on my brother who lives in Himachal. उसको पता भी नहीं है कौन है Lavanya. She calls my brother all the time. We have given all the screenshots of the calls, texts and messages she has done to my family. So all the allegations she put that my brother threatened her, I threatened her, it's all false. Rather, she tortured me.
But she released some audio.
That audio, if you listen to that audio, what I have said in that audio, please listen to that audio very carefully. First thing I have said that your issue, Rajtharoon issue, you both solve each other. Please keep me out. And the second thing I have said in that audio that I have no relation to Rajtharoon from last 8 months.
Okay.
Because first time when we were shooting last schedule during August-September, she called me first time that stay away from Rajtharoon and all of that. I said we are working together. There's nothing, no relation. Then she's like, don't talk to Rajtharoon and all. I told Rajtharoon that this girl Lavanya is calling me and who is na? Kahan hai proof? Dikhao proof. And then second thing, September Tarvata, I stopped talking to Rajtharoon because of this girl. October, November, December, Jan, Feb, no conversation, no calls, no messages with Rajtharoon because of this girl. Only he's my co-actor. Still, we mutually decided we will not talk to each other.
మీరు రాజ్తరుణ్ తో మాట్లాడారా ఈ అంశం గురించి? ఇక్కడ కంప్లైంట్ చేయకముందు. After
we finished the shoot in September,
okay.
I told Rajtharoon this girl is going another level. She abused my family.
Okay.
Now let's not talk to each other. We'll only talk when any work is there.
Okay.
So September, after September, October, November, December, Jan, Feb end, till Feb end, we did not have any conversation, no calls, no messages. After Feb end, the celebration song of our film release, they made a WhatsApp group on all the promotion activities, PROs and everyone. When we started talking, because we have to promote our film, I came here to promote my harmed my reputation. What is I feel like crying. I'm sad. I'm frustrated. Since last night, I've not eaten any food because it's my first Telugu cinema and she's spoiling my reputation. What is my fault? I have not done anything wrong to anyone. And this is all false accusation, and truth will come out and everything will come out and we'll proceed further.
Okay. She was cursing you in the call.
Yeah, so she's cursing me because I told her that don't involve me and she's behind me. She called my dad, she abused my dad. I told my dad that I am just working with this guy. I have nothing in my family is very reputed family. She put fake cases, fake blames that CM say aisa hai, waisa hai. My family is nowhere related to political. My dad is a businessman. My mom is a
మీరు
government
మర్డర్
teacher.
చేస్తామని చెప్పి థ్రెటనింగ్
It's
చేశారని
all fake. It's all fake news. And I'll tell you the truth.
మీరు చేయిస్తారని చెప్పి ఆమె చెప్తుంది, దానికి ఏం సమాధానం చెప్తారు మీరు?
మీ background-
మర్డర్ చేయిస్తారని చెప్తుందామా?
आप कराटे बोल के वो बोल रहे हैं